Guys, it's Sunday, July 10th. Sunday, July 10th. I plan on looking at some actual cameras today. I've been looking at like the T5i or like Canon's mirrorless camera. I think it's called the M3. T5i is like a small DSLR, but I'm hitting up my friend Alex to come with me. I'm probably gonna get some lunch or something too, so stay tuned for that. I know I say ums a lot, and that's annoying. It's annoying to myself too, going through all the video and editing it and hearing it. So we're gonna go look at cameras, probably gonna stop by Best Buy, maybe some camera stores, I'm not quite sure. Again, like if I'm gonna order any of this, it's probably gonna be online. So the going to the stores and stuff is more or less just to get a feel for the camera, see what people at the stores think of them. There's another one. Yeah, so just get like hands-on feel. I'm gonna look at like SD cards, Rode mics, and external hard drives to like get a feel for the price and like what I'm looking for. And then we're gonna go probably to Panda, because there's a Panda right next to where we'll be going, and there don't really get that much around where I live. So we're gonna go do that. We'll see you there. Boink. What is this thing, man? Typhoon? Jesus Christ. How much is it though? How much is it? Not bad, honestly. The DJIs are more. Looks like a fucking alien ship.
It is.
Okay, this is one I'm looking at. T5i. Can't afford that shit. So what's going on, guys? We just got done eating at a restaurant near us called Malone's. Pretty good. We just got some burgers and stuff. I got like a teriyaki sandwich. I got a burger. We came here to Sports Authority. I don't know if you can see that. Because there's one near us and it's going out of business, as probably everybody knows. So we're just gonna look for some cheap shit. Might as well.
Some fun shit to do.
Yeah, some fun shit to do. Fun shit to do. So, honestly, I don't know what to look for. I don't have anything in particular.
I don't know either.
Dude, I do need more shorts. You don't need anything?
I don't.
Like, at all? It's 40-60%, dude. Come on. Can't think of anything?
I bet you I can find something.
We're gonna find something. We'll let you know. Nothing anywhere.
I know.
Like, look at this shit. Nothing. Just racks. Empty. Empty racks. Empty, empty, empty. Cleared out. This used to be a huge shoe section. Huge. Basketball hoops, nobody's hanging out here. All the basketballs are gone. Looks like tornado hit all the shoe piles. Place is insane. Why is there a mannequin here?
Is it?
No. Doesn't have a head, dude. I'm trapped. Turn back around. Go through the main, yeah. What the fuck? Can we get through this way? Oh, dude, there's another mannequin. How you doing? It's a can stand. Dude, there's just nothing. It's fucking ravaged, dude. What the fuck is going on? Stop. So we just got out of Sports Authority. I ended up getting 2 pairs of shorts. And two shirts as well. He got a shirt. If you watch the pieces of video that I put before this, the Sports Authority place is just destroyed. It's ridiculous. Like, I mean, I get they're going out of business, but people don't give a shit about what they do. They like they're taking fucking shoe boxes and like they're all across the floor with no shoes even in them. Shoes are over here, boxes over there, empty racks everywhere. So he's been playing Pokemon Go the whole time, like while we were eating and while we were here, and I haven't been. And I'm getting kind of salty. I don't know, what level are you now?
4.
Like how close to 5?
I'm almost level 4.
Oh, you're almost level 4?
I'm level 3.
You're level 3? Yeah, I'm just a little bit over level 4, trying to get to level 5, get to the gyms. There seems to be gyms everywhere. So we're gonna go to Walmart right now, look for frisbees, because there's a 9-hole frisbee golf course near us. We're gonna go do that and get you guys some more content. See you then. Stop dabbing. Stop it. We're out here. We just got the disc from Walmart. Got a driver and putter each. Can't afford that mid-range life.
Not yet.
Not yet. So, I don't know if you can see all on my shitty camera work. Ooh.
Ready? You back up a little bit.
Do you hear those people at their house? Right there.
Back up a little bit.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
That's really bad.
I'm just gonna first person it. Oh, I got it. Okay, you got it. You got it.
Nice. Almost as good as mine.
Alright, I'm right here. I'm gonna use the putter now. Hopefully I don't fuck this up. Boom. Is that par? Are we going with 3 is par? 3 is par. Both hit par. We don't. There's no directions on this course at all. I don't know where we are. Who is that? Is that a mid-range?
No, it's a distance driver.
Wait.
But it's about to be mine.
Is it that one bird brand shit?
No.
Distance driver. Look at your.
Delete this. You can't record me stealing something.
You're not stealing. You're just finding.
True.
Like who keeps it on top of? Who does that?
I mean, I thought it was just like a lid.
There's no directions. Like there's no one up there. I don't know where to go. The approach. Not too bad. Not too bad. We're going up at an angle. I'm gonna try to like.
You want me to?
Nah, dude.
You throw it way too sideways.
Oh, I know. That was terrible. Further than you, bitch. Oh, thanks.
Fuck!
So close yet so far. All right. Right here. It's not hit the road. I want to die today. Fuck! Nice. Should I dunk it?
4.
I don't know if I can make it, dude. Got it. Easy points.
All right.
All right, we're both +1. See, that's probably what happened.
Probably.
And they're like, fuck, where'd I leave it? All right, this one, I don't know if you can.
What are we saying? 3 or 4?
Where's it at?
Right down there by the pole.
See it down there? I'm gonna go with 4 par.
4? All right.
4 par. That's just pretty far. And we're pretty bad. Damn, okay. Oh, and then it curves.
Let's go roll down. Kinda.
Get me real quick. Ah, I'm gonna go far out that way because I know it's gonna curve.
I hope it goes over the fence.
Fuck. I got a wedgie. So, you guys just missed it, but Alex just barely missed with the putter. I'm gonna go for it with the putter. Oh, curve, baby. I can take that. We're going for pars out here today. Yeah. We're not very good. I don't think I've ever played frisbee golf before. But you know what? It's free. It's fun. Out in the sun. And
Ready?
dude, 360. I'm gonna count that as a miss.
No,
I'm gonna count that as a miss. Ready? I'm gonna go. Oh my god. I just flinched. Alright, are you gonna take a 4 or 5 on that?
No, that's 4.
Fine. I'll give him a 4.
Bro, I 360'd it.
Ready? I'm gonna throw it that way. Damn. Boys out here grinding, got skills.
All right, I'll fuck this
Like you wouldn't believe. We don't even know where the next one is. That's how shitty this place is.
Fucking high school.
Yeah. Fucking set these shits up at a high school and don't give us any directions about what to do. We're not meant to do this shit.
No.
We are not.
We're sweating our asses off.
Yeah, it's hot as shit. And it's like 87 with like a heat index of like 97.
We'll say 90. Right.
Say like 95.
90 easy.
95. I say 95. He says 90. Fuck him.
93.
My channel. Alright, we're gonna try to find the next one. We'll catch up when we find it. Nowhere to be seen. Oh, I'm heavy, breathing heavy. People are seeing me.
No?
Huh? Man, what are they gonna do? Come out here and judge me?
Exactly.
Alright, go, man. Go. There's one way out there.
We found
We found
the
2
fourth
more.
one and the 5th one.
The 4th and 5th. And we know where the other 4 are. Oh!
No, into the street.
You're in the street. That's bad. All right, I'm giving my best shot. I'm literally gonna aim for those fences over there, and I'm gonna fuck this up anyway, so it doesn't matter. Fuck, I'm in the street too.
Nice throw.
I'm in the street.
Nice throw.
Go get ran over, okay? Go get ran over. Fucking bitch. I'm throwing from under the tree first. Oh! Dude, it dips no matter what. That's literally the flattest I've thrown it. I don't even see it. Oh! Oh, I think I'm laying in the tree, dude.
I thought I was gonna hit that post.
I don't know where I am. Oh, fuck! Dude, we're just trees on trees. Alex is closer though. What are we saying this is? Par 3? Cause
I'm already at 3 throws.
wait, really? You're at 2.
Yeah, okay, 2.
I would say it's a par 3, but we just suck.
True.
Ah, it curves no matter what.
Dude, you're so bad at throwing this.
Says the dude who's also hit 3 trees and, or no, you're in the street twice, aren't you?
$50 you miss.
50 bucks. I don't bet you 50 bucks. You bet me 50 bucks. That's your problem. All right. Plus 3 on the day. Alex plus 2.
Yep.
Ah. Got it.
Hole number 5. Right out over yonder.
Where is it?
Let's do this. The wind's coming. No!
In the weeds. Oh my god. That's,
Fuck.
at least you got a second one, right?
True.
I'm aiming for the top side. I'm up on the hill. I'm coming down at it. Alex is down in the rough. They definitely turned around that and kept it for like a rough spot for these holes. Have fun getting that. Fuck.
Here it is.
Wow. All right, throw from there. Shit looks far away from my camera, but. Woo! Grab your shit. You're 2 throws in, man. This is par 3 for sure.
Yep.
All right, I think I'm gonna go with the safe approach. Use my putter, because it's pretty straight on. I don't want to turn that shit. All right. Fuck, all right, I'm not mad. I'm not bad. Not bad at all. Oh! Looks like I'm gonna gain a stroke back. It's gonna be +2 to, fuck, I'm way down there? I'm way down here?
Yeah.
Ah! I definitely, damn it, dude. Why is this on such a shitty hill?
Bro, I'm sweating my ass off.
Dude, it's hot as fuck. Alright. Need concentration. Testing the wind. Bad. You still up 1. Alright.
So we found 4, right?
We found 4. They go all the way
And there's 4 more over there.
around to here. Wait, we found 5.
5 over there?
No, we found 5. There was 1, 2, 3.
3. Okay, 5.
4, 5.
There's 4 over there. So
It's 4 over here.
remaining 9. Let's start from here and go to those trees.
What? You want to just throw
Let's say this is par what, like 6?
to the trees?
Where the next hole is.
On the next hole? What the
It's across the street. Where are we?
Yeah, it's fucking far.
Where are we gonna start then?
Then go find a place that's closer to it.
All right, we'll go
Like
to
the playground or some shit.
Set.
Yeah.
Bro,
Fuck it. 8, that wouldn't even be 8 strokes. That'd be like 20. With R, you would have one of us
Bro.
would have landed in those bushes.
Look.
Oh my god. Dude, we.
Fuck you.
No, I know. He looks at me. He looks at me and he's like, bro, look at this. We are grinding in this summer heat for some good ass frolf. Alex is a litterer. Confirmed. Come arrest him. He stole a frisbee and littered.
I'm borrowing this frisbee.
Borrowing. Yeah! We have life!
It's warm though, we gotta wait for it to get
I
cold.
don't give a fuck.
Oh, it's nice and cold now.
That's gonna be really weird to look at. Oh, dude, you should not get rid of your water bottle. Guess who's gonna refill theirs? My sweaty motherfucking ass. Oh, dude, I'm so sweaty. And I can just feel it. Like, I don't need to look at myself. I just know it.
Should we start up there?
Yeah, because it's pretty close. It's really right next to that tree. You can kind of see it. I'm gonna wipe my face off. It looks disgusting. Dude, yeah, from the swings. No, we got this. We're swinging and we're... alright, fine. I'm not very athletic, but I'll try anything for $1. You want par 3 again?
Yeah.
Alright. Fuck, that was terrible.
That was really bad.
I'll take it. What'd you drop? Oh, you got water? Should have thrown your water bottle away. There's a bug. Oh! Fuck, bro.
Not your brand new shoes.
Not my brand new shoes. Expensive as shit.
I'm putting this fish.
Oh! Ah! I almost pulled off a fucking nasty birdie. Alex, around the tree. Like, this isn't a guarantee. But it is. Look at that bod. It's par 5.
Yeah, we call this par 5.
Call this par 5. Long as shit. You got me. So our things. I need a fucking criminal. Alright, dude, you trying to give me copyright strike? I'm kidding. There's like 10 people that watch this.
Yeah.
Like, I know 8 of them. And then there's some weird fuckers that comment some shit. I'm talking to you, dude. You know who you are. I haven't not curved it at all. I feel like if I didn't, it'd be pretty good. Like no matter what, it dips.
Yeah.
I think that's like part of buying these. Woo! Oh! Woo! Yeah. Still far as fuck. Yeah. I made up some ground, honestly. Cause I got up here, I'm like, there's no way this is a par 5. Not bad. We're getting better. Alex is using his putter. All right, it's definitely gonna take you at least 6. I might be lucky. Oh. All right. I'm hoping Alex misses on this one. Because I need to gain a stroke. There's only 3 left, including this one.
I'm about to have a stroke.
Mount. Check this form out. Foot is where it was, right? I'm behind the tree. I'm still gonna get...
Ooh!
We both got what, 6? Plus 1? So really, we're not really keeping track about all plus 1s, but I'm 1 behind him. Little family behind us. And this guy's swearing out here with his shirt off.
You got me fucked up.
There is the thing. And I just threw it this direction towards the bleachers. Dude, why do we do physical activities where I'm not made to do this shit? Just throwing opportunities. Thanks, fam.
I was assuming you make it.
That's a bad assumption. That's disgusting. Don't dab. So this is our high school.
Where we went to high school.
This is where we went to high school. Yeah, we're not in high school anymore. I go to Iowa State.
Me too.
Not a bad throw. Not a good one. Better for the one I've been doing today. He is right fucking next to me, bro. The kid just wants to be me. I'm 1 stroke behind. I really need him to fuck up. I'm a little bit in front of him. These are the 2 frisbees. And here's a I'm gonna go with my putter.
Same.
I'm in your way, so I'm just gonna go. This is to get a stroke on him. Wow. You know what? I'll just take the L. L's all day. Because this kid ain't gonna miss because he's a bitch. Oh!
Oh no, we tied.
Oh no.
Just can't fuck you, bitch.
So that's it for the Froth game. He ended up winning by a stroke. It's pretty freaking hot, so I think that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. So I'm gonna be posting this either Monday, the 11th of July, or Tuesday. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm not quite on the whole daily vlogging thing yet. I don't really do much outside of work during the week, so hope you guys again enjoyed. Look forward to more, and I'll see you in the next one.